Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Wednesday, May 14th. Coming up on the economic calendar today at 8:30 GMT, we have employment data from the United Kingdom, which could generate some volatility in British equities. Then at 9 o'clock, we have industrial production from the Eurozone, which could generate some volatility in the euro. Then half an hour later, we have an inflation report from the Bank of England, and inflation is a key component to monetary policy decisions, so we could see some volatility here in the pound. At 11 o'clock, we have mortgage applications from the United States, and housing is a key component of the American economy, so this could generate some volatility if we have a significant miss in expectations. And then later in the evening at 10 minutes to midnight, we have GDP data from Japan. Moving over to the markets, we'll start with the S&P 500, which kept its record high yesterday. It was up by a further less than 0.1%. This general optimism in the American economy continued during Asian session, with Asian stocks moving higher. Going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are trading up by a further 0.1%. So we're looking at a neutral to positive outlook for the markets today. Let's have a look at the euro. The euro yesterday dropped below our support level, which we had at 137.50, which is now turned into resistance. It came down to further support level at 137.10 and has since rebounded. However, if this level, 137.10 is a relatively weak support level, and it might move towards 136.50 as our next this support, which is the which is getting close to this upwards trend line. On the upside, we have resistance at 137.50, which is a somewhat congested level here. The pound has been trading sideways here, keeping a range of 168.40 to 169, but with the major data coming out today, we could see stronger volatility with support as low as 167.80 and resistance at 170. The dollar-yen pair moved higher, came up to our resistance level at 102.30, and since rebounded, moved on the downside. We have support at 101.75 and resistance at 102.75. And then finally we have gold, which is keeping within its range of 1,280 to 1,310. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.